So the life cycle of a thread starts when an object of the main system threading thread that we will see later with examples is created, and ends when the thread is terminated or completed. So we have various states in the life cycle of a thread. The first state is the unstarted state. So it is the situation where the instance of the thread is created but the start method is not called. So here we have the creation. The second state is the ready state. It is the situation when the thread is ready to run and waiting CPU cycle. So here it is ready to run. I'm sorry for my letters, I know they're not so good. So it is ready to run. The third state is the non-runnable state. So a thread is not executable when sleep method has been called. So the first one is sleep method. The second one is the wait method. So if the wait method has been called, then the thread is not executable, or it is blocked by I/O, by input-output operations. Finally, the fourth, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. The fourth state is the dead state. It is the situation when the thread completes execution or it is aborted.